The WEN Super Quiet 3800-watt RV-Ready Portable Inverter Generator is an impressive piece of machinery that delivers reliable power in a compact and user-friendly package. Ideal for both outdoor enthusiasts and emergency backup situations, this inverter generator has carved a niche for itself by combining efficiency, portability, and quiet operation. Design and build quality. The first thing that stands out about the WEN 3800-watt generator is its sleek and compact design. Weighing in at approximately 95 pounds, it is relatively lightweight for an inverter generator of this capacity, making it easier to transport for camping trips or to use as backup power at home during outages. The unit features a sturdy frame and rubberized feet, providing excellent stability and reducing vibrations during operation. The aesthetics of the generator are also noteworthy. The modern black and yellow color scheme looks appealing, and its design is both functional and attractive. The control panel is logically laid out, with clearly labeled ports and a digital display that shows vital information such as output wattage and fuel levels. This thoughtful arrangement not only enhances usability but also ensures that users can easily monitor performance at a glance. Power output and efficiency. Operating at 3,800 watts with a peak output of 4,500 watts, this generator is more than capable of powering essential appliances during an outage or providing energy for recreational activities. It features two 120V GFCI outlets, one 120V RV outlet, and two USB ports, offering ample connectivity options for various devices. The inverter technology ensures that power is delivered cleanly, making it safe for sensitive electronics, such as laptops and smartphones. One of the standout features of the WEN 3800-watt generator is its fuel efficiency. It can run for up to 5 hours at 50% load on just a single tank of gasoline, thanks to its 2-gallon fuel tank. The addition of a fuel shutoff feature is a fantastic touch as it helps in preventing fuel-related issues during storage. Users can run the generator until the fuel is depleted, ensuring that the carburetor remains clean and ready for future use. Noise level and operation. One of the most significant benefits of the WEN Super Quiet generator is its noise level. Operating at just 57 dB, it is remarkably quiet compared to traditional generators that can reach upwards of 70 dB. This makes it an excellent choice for camping, tailgating, or backyard gatherings where noise can be a concern. The quiet operation allows you to enjoy your activities without the disruptive hum of a loud generator in the background. Starting the generator is a breeze, thanks to the Easy Start recoil system and the option for an electric start, which adds convenience for users. The generator runs smoothly, and the low oil shutoff sensor provides an additional layer of protection, preventing damage from insufficient oil levels. Portability features. Portability is a crucial factor when choosing a generator, and WEN has certainly delivered in this regard. The integrated handle and lightweight design make it easy to lift and transport. Additionally, the unit features never flat wheels, allowing you to maneuver it over various terrains without worrying about tire maintenance. Safety features. Safety is paramount, especially when dealing with electrical equipment. The WEN 3800-watt generator includes several essential safety features, such as overload protection and a low oil shutdown. These features help prevent damage to both the generator and connected devices, allowing users to operate it with peace of mind. Final thoughts. In conclusion, the WEN Super Quiet 3800-watt RV-Ready Portable Inverter Generator is an excellent investment for anyone in need of reliable, efficient, and quiet power. Its combination of power output, fuel efficiency, and low noise operation makes it an outstanding choice for camping, RV trips, and home backup power. While the price point is competitive, users will find that the features, build quality, and performance justify the investment. Whether you are a seasoned camper, an RV owner, or simply someone who likes to be prepared for